my head.
Up here on the beach. The weather's right to see here. See what's supposed to be nice. What else can you get?
So yeah, my husband went shopping. He bought a printer and a lot of stuff, and then he only rode his bike. And then it's kind of heavy. I really pity him. Like, look at this, guys. Oh my god, it's really heavy. Like,
I actually had a lot of fun.
yeah, I was like really worried about him because he's just supposed to buy a printer, and it took him like almost 2 hours to get back. And then I was like surprised. I saw him with his bike and carrying this. Oh my god! So I'm gonna have to untie it, and I'm gonna show you on how I hit the printer. I'm gonna unbox the printer for you guys because I'm also gonna need it because I'm gonna like print the RMA, the return merchandise authorization. I already told you about that, yeah. So we got this for $4. The rope or the tie.
4 of them. They're usually called bungee cords. I don't know why.
Bungee cords.
I don't know where bungee came from.
So yeah. Oh my god, the poor husband. So this is the printer. It's Canon Pixma MG2522. So I'm gonna open it. It's easy. Exciting. Woo! So here's the manual on how you're gonna install it, or yeah. So I'm gonna put this one aside first. Oh, I'm probably gonna use the phone here. So let's get this one first. So inside this little box, I have here the color ink and the black ink. I have 2 here. So how much is this again?
$35.
$35, and it already has the ink here. So color and the black one. So and also we have here the what do you call it? I don't know what's Type C. Is it
USB. That's Type
USB?
B.
I don't know what's the
B has 2 holes.
yeah,
That's
Type
B.
B cord. So
C has 2 holes. B has 1 hole like that.
yeah, so I have 2 here. And then now we're gonna go into the most exciting part of our lives today. So I'm gonna get. Oh wait. This must be the CD here.
Yes.
The installation. I don't know what's that. The CD here. And then just gonna be careful because. So I just have to lay it down like that, and I'm gonna get it and support it with my leg. So ta-da! Oops. Mix. Oh my god. Oops. So I'm gonna put this one aside. And ta-da! It's our new printer! Canon, we also have Canon before, and we were in Cebu. It works really good. And I think we did not donate it somewhere. So, you know. So,
Do your dancing. I didn't miss the dance
I'm
there.
sorry guys, it's really messy because I have to do a lot of stuff yet. So, in the back, I put it in my head. So yeah, and I'm gonna unwrap it right now. So, yeah. And Mr. Photographer or video, can you show it to me? Here's the function here. So, I don't want to get the, oh yeah, I think I have to because I just want to put it like that. Okay, so that don't get it. So I'm gonna open it like this. And here's I think this is the scanner.
Yeah, it'll scan.
Oh wow, it has a scanner, guys.
Yeah.
Scanner. So, but the problem is we don't have paper.
Yes, I do in the backpack.
Okay, so I'm gonna get it for you. I'm gonna show it here because it's very. I don't know if it already has ink inside.
No, usually you have to install ink cartridges
Yeah, so
yourself.
I'm gonna install it, guys. I don't know how to do it, but I think there's a.
There's usually a instruction thing here, like this thing right here.
Oh yeah. Okay, I opened it already. I know how to do it, honey. We have a print. Can you
Okay.
take a video of me? I'm
Okay.
doing this here.
Okay.
So I have it, guys, the black. So it says open. So I'm gonna open it here. And this one. So and I'm gonna put it here. I have to pull this and put it here, guys. Oh.
I think you're supposed to plug it in first, maybe?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, there's also something you're supposed to do underneath here. Number 2, underneath the printer.
Yeah, I already removed it.
Really?
This one, oh.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, this one.
Okay. Looks like they're 2 different things. Maybe there's still one underneath. Yeah, there's something underneath. That orange one's supposed to go underneath there. Doesn't look like it's a real
It's It's just really like that. It's
Not that real, not real important.
Oh. At the back. At the back, careful.
Okay, you can do it, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's just like. It's just really us.
Keep it from moving around while it ships, I guess. Yeah. Very
like
nice.
So, yeah. Before we get interrupted, so I'm gonna put now the color one. So we have to pull this like that and just put it here. I'm gonna pull this one also. It has a sign pull. Are you taking me?
I'm getting it right now.
So pull, and I'm gonna put it here. So I'm doing right. The right side would be black and the other is color. So I'm gonna put now the color one. So we just have, there's like
Color's on the left, black's on the right.
Yeah.
Looks like, yeah.
So you have to put it here. So this one, that. So push it like it's gonna make a sound. It's harder now, but wait. I'm having a problem with the color one. With the black one, it was too easy. So I'm gonna try again. You just really have to be careful. So I'm gonna try, since I'm having problem, I'm gonna try to remove this one first. So it was just like that. Okay.
Gently.
I'm really having problem with the color one.
Yeah, I can work on it if you're worried about breaking it.
Yeah, I'm worried that I'm gonna break it, so my husband will do it.
Let's see. Okay. Color black.
Yeah.
Alright. Doesn't look like anything's wrong with it. Nice.
I'm just afraid to push it.
In, yeah. This one went in further, it looked like.
Yeah, it was just easy with the black.
Alright, see if they're the same size, so they should go in. They should feel like they're going in the same distance. So let's go to the black one and do it over. Kind of like the design, it's futuristic.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. And then up, okay.
It was just easy.
That felt okay. This one in and up, okay.
Okay, that's good. So yeah.
Alright, so
And
that looks
now-
alright. And
Okay, so now since we're done putting the two ink, so we're supposed to plug it in. So here's the, here, we're gonna plug it here. And no, that's not quite right, because we also need this. This connect the printer to the laptop. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove the charger. So I have to. So I'm gonna connect this one. This one goes into the printer at the back of the printer. So it already went well, and then now I'm gonna put. For that, I have to throw this away because it's kind of messy right now. And now I'm gonna put this one. See, guys, I'm gonna put this one into here, and then this one should also go to the. I have to look around. For some reason I cannot find it, so I have to move to the manual. And here's the manual, so it says that it should be in front. No, it's here.
looks like it goes in sideways. Because yeah, that goes in the side.
Yeah, so it's very tricky, guys, because I was not able to find it. So it's really tricky, so you have to put this one here. I don't think if there's like wrong way of doing it, because it's just like too wrong, and then I already plug it in, so we have to plug it in the wall. Now I already plug it in, so I'm gonna open the one and then turn it on here. And sure, yeah, I turn it on, guys. And okay, it sounds good. You have to close this. And then we have this $2 bond paper here. So we're gonna put it here. I don't know how to. It's like open. Oh, $35. It's good.
Yeah.
For $35, it's really good. That would be
1750.
1,750 in peso. So I have here some bond paper, and I'm gonna put it here. So I have to move this one because this is for like picture printing. So I'm gonna move it here for the bond paper. And put it here. So I'm gonna try, or I don't know if I have to install something yet. I don't think so.
Usually not.
Usually not.
Go into system preferences.
Here, it says, would you like to download and install software for Canon series? So
Yeah,
I'm gonna do.
Apple's big genius. I don't think it's focusing right, but yeah, you gotta do test shoots if you want to get everything right. It's trying to focus it.
Okay, so I'm gonna click install here, and it's finding the software. So it's finding the software right now. It's about 5 seconds. So I'm just gonna wait, and say it's about 1 minute. So I think we're almost there. So guys, I think we just finished installing it. So I'm gonna try to print out something. So first I have to do this, the RMA. So it's in the, where is that? The label. The number doesn't say. That's the confirmation. That's kind of. So anyway, I'm gonna try to print this one. This one. Scan. I don't know which one to print here. There's a lot of like, not like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna print the page 1 and 2. So let's do Command P, and then pages 1 and 2, and then I'm gonna choose black. I print advanced. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna try. So I'm gonna click print. I don't want them to be colored, so yeah, I'm gonna print them now. Yeah, it automatically knows the printer, so it's here, Canon MG2522. Sorry, so I'm gonna try the one. So print, and let's wait for the big event. Usually come out here. I don't know. Is it out here? Okay, it says error. Heavy. So I don't know why is that. Oh, there it's going on.
Okay, I'm
Printing.
getting a little tired. Oh wait, here. Let's try. That looks good actually. It looks like it's printing. Something's working.
Can you stop it now?
Yeah.